Lumafusion and Procreate. Why is it that it's a match in heaven? Let's find out in this video. Let's go! Lumafusion Pros, okay, can do video really well. It's cheap. It can do animation. So if you have a still image, you can do animation on it. What about the cons? The cons of Lumafusion is what? The still graphics. Okay? There's no template or anything like that. It's still very lacking. So if you want to have a custom font, for example, it's still not there yet. So if you want to have a very creative way of doing things, right, you have to use additional app, okay, additional resource to put into it. Otherwise, it's just very vanilla right now. That's why Procreate comes in. Now, the Procreate Pros are whatever you can imagine, okay, you can put on the canvas. They call it canvas or painting. So whatever you can imagine, you can put on that canvas. So the possibilities are endless, and there's a lot of brush and creative ways you can do with it. It is really complement our Lumafusion. Whatever lack in Lumafusion, Procreate can join together. For example, the title, okay, the title and lower third. Right now, whatever is in Lumafusion is not that great. It's good for a while, but it's not the best. Okay, you can't be creative too much with that. But whatever with Procreate, whatever you can imagine, you can put on the canvas, and it's complement each other pretty well. Now, what are the cons of Procreate? Okay, Procreate doesn't do video. It does video time-lapse, but only onto the canvas. It's a still-based, painter-based app. It's not a animation or motion kind of app. But that's why you have like Lumafusion. Whatever lack in Lumafusion, Procreate can complement. Procreate doesn't have, Lumafusion has. That's what I mean. Okay, so it's complement each other really well. So if you have these two apps, it is a match in heaven. Imagine back in the days when you use Premiere Pro, and if you need to do some kind of lower third, you have to go to After Effects. The similar process can be achieved, not fully, not 100% as the professional kind of workflow, but it can get you there right 80% of the time. If you learn this now, you are on top of the game. Now, this is for the YouTube content creator. These two apps right here is a must-have for you, any YouTube video creator. You can use Lumafusion to edit your videos. You can use the Procreate to do your thumbnails, okay, for YouTube. If it doesn't click, if your thumbnail is not that great, people will not click. That's the first thing that people will see from your content is your thumbnail, then your title. Then they do the clicks, and within those 30 seconds, is your content engaged enough for people to watch fully? And that's the challenge of all content creator, right? So with these two apps right here, whatever you can imagine for your thumbnail is there. Okay, whatever you can imagine, you can edit in Lumafusion, your videos. So these two apps here is a must-have for any content creator right now. It is easy to learn both apps. It's not a big learning curve. You still need a learning curve, but it's not a mountain to climb. Okay, put that way. I can learn both, okay, because I have some kind of graphic design experience with Photoshop and all that stuff, right? But there's a lot of great resources out there on the net, myself included, so you can learn both apps very easily. If you put the time into it, you can learn both apps. And the company that designed these apps here, it's two apps, Lumafusion and Savage, okay, Savage Media, okay, or Procreate. They have a lot of resources out there for you on the net, so you can learn this app really well. So take your time, learn from me or learn from somebody else. But it is very easy for you to pick these two apps up, and it's cheap. You know, both apps cost you less than $50. Both apps cost you less than $50, and you can have the world, creative world at your feet, at your fingertips. Put that way. Are you new to both apps? I have great resource on my channel for you to check it out. Check this one out here if you want to learn more about Lumafusion. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.